Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your search history on Google Chrome. Let's launch the app. You want to make sure that you have the latest updated version. On the lower right corner you will see the three dots menu. You want to click on this. Then you want to scroll down and you want to see the option that it says clear browsing data. This is going to delete everything that you browse or everything that you search on the search bar on the actual public profile. This is simply going to erase all the data, all the search queries that you did. So this means that everything that you searched previously and you try to save, the only way to save it is if you actually bookmark the website or bookmark a particular pages. Aside from that, everything else will be deleted, everything else will be erased. So you want to make sure that before you clearing your browsing data, you saved up all the pages that you're checking on a daily basis, and you want to make sure that you save your login with these pages. Otherwise, you want to make sure that this is part of your saved passwords in actual Google Chrome. Subscribe and follow for more.